Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi, studying in 7th class. Today we are discussing the topic of classification based on composition from the subject of chemistry. Okay, what is the classification based on composition? Means, see, that is divided into two types, that is pure substance and mixture. What is pure substance? One by one we will discuss. What is pure substance? Pure substance is, it is made up of only one atom. It is made up of only one atom and it has definite set of properties. It is made up of only one atom and has definite set of properties. In pure substance is divided into two types, element and compound. Pure substance is divided into two types, element and compound. What is element? Element means the combination of tiny particles, means atoms. The combination of atoms is called an element. One atom, it is the pure substance, but many atoms, it is an element. It is an element. But what is compound? The combination of elements only is called compound. Don't confuse. The combination of atoms is mixture and the combination of elements is a compound. For example, see. E for elements and C for compound. Element, calcium is an element. CO2 is an element. See the combination of atoms. Here it is one atom. Think. No number means it is one. Here we have two. Here we have two. What is that? 2 means the number. Atoms. 2 atoms are there in carbon dioxide. 2 atoms are there. The combination of 2 atoms is an element. But see, by combining these two, we will get a compound. What is that? CaCO3. Calcium plus CO2 is equals to CaCO3. You may have get doubt, that is, here is 2 but here is 3. Why? Because the valency. Here is 2, no? 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So only CaCO3. The lime water formula. Okay, what is the meaning of valency here? Valency. For example, see. H2O. This is our formula. For this, we should know the valency. This is a wrong one. Why? Because HO2 is the right one. This is only the valency. The first alphabet should be the bigger number. Here what it indicates? H1 or 2. H1, 1 is less than 2. So it indicates H2O. H2O means how it may be? 1. Like this. Like this it is. By this trick, we can know what is valency here. Here what is there? It should be here and it should be here. Means HO2. So this is the valency of the H2O formula. But what I told you, the first alphabet should be the bigger number. So only we took 2 to here. From here we took to here. This is the valency. I think so you understand the what is valency, what is element and compound. Now we will discuss types of elements. In types of elements we have metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. Let us read. Types of elements. Metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. Firstly, we will discuss metals. What are metals? Metals are generally hard. Metals are in which in shape? Solid shape. Let us write first. First one. Metals are in solid state. And non-metals. Non-metals are in solid, liquid and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. Example, carbon is solid and chlorine and gas means hydrogen. And third one is metalloids. Metalloids means half metal and half non-metals, means 50-50. Means solid, liquid, gas. Anything it may be. And same noble gases also. and noble gases are also in 50% and 50%. 50-50. Okay, what are metals? What are metals? Metals are generally hard. Luster, sonorous, conductivity, good electricity, and everything. Density, melting point, boiling points, all are there in the metals. Let us discuss. But what is the meaning of sonorous? I told you now. What is the meaning of sonorous? Sonorous means it is sound. It means sound. What is the meaning of sonorous? Means it is a sound. The school bell rings the one sound, and in the temple the bell rings one sound. The steel plates or glasses rings one sound. The types of sounds are called sonorous. We have physical properties in this. Firstly, we will learn the metal physical properties. Metals have properties. We will discuss deeply. Then first let us read. Properties means metal properties. Hardness, physical state, luster, density, melting and boiling points, malleability, ductility, conductivity, alloy and amalgam. What are these the properties? First we will discuss about the hardness. What is hardness? Generally the metals are in solid state. Means what is solid? Solid is very hard. Solid is very hard. So metals are in solid state, no. Then the metals are hard. Example, silver, steel. These are all metals. These all are solid or not? Solid only. Exception case. Exception, mercury. See, mercury will be thin slice. Generally in the thermometers we will use. Mercury is a liquid metal. Liquid metal which is very smooth. We can cut with knife too. This is an exception case. And our second one is the physical state. What is the physical state? Physical state means generally in metals we have the physical state. Means at a room temperature. We have room temperature in solids. Means in metals. But exception case. Mercury, cesium and gallium. These all are liquid metals. Not only mercury. Mercury is used in daily life. Means thermometer. But gallium and cesium is also a liquid metals. So they doesn't have the room temperatures. They have melting point and boiling point also very low. This is an exception case. And our next one is luster. What is luster? Luster means old cycle is there, means on the reddish brownish color will come, no. That is only the luster. Okay. Okay, the luster means, see, think it is a rod of bicycle. Then a few days, means not only few days, 1 year or 6 months, like that we will, without using, we will leave, means it will get the brownish or reddish marks on that. Reddish or brownish marks. That is called the luster. Without shiny it will be. Without shiny it will be there. But in luster, that is luster means without luster that is. But in luster it is very shining. Without luster that is. Luster exception means sodium and potassium lose their luster. Lose their luster. They doesn't shine. When we take out means they lose their luster. Exception case. And our fourth one is density.